So, nakaabot ra gyud mi no. Dumating na kami dito sa Wanaka Place. For around
See the
3
pine
hours.
tree.
See the pine tree. Ang laki ng pine tree, grabe. Look at that. Where's your shoes?
Sige na,
So, gagawin natin dito, guys. Hanap tayo ng maiihian CR.
that is the ano, kana to.
That is the what?
Katong famous tree. Tara.
Saan? Ay, ayun. Pero hindi siya color green ngayon.
Wala,
Kami,
dagan
so
na
beautiful.
gano.
So beautiful place. Guys, look at that. Grabe, ang ganda. Sige na, hanap na muna ng maihian.
Tara.
Ay, ito na. Hi, beautiful lady. Where are you going?
Welcome to Wanaka, New Zealand.
Damura. Hala, nice kayang place, no? So, how many hours traveled from Don Sandel going here in Wanaka?
Actually, because of the traffic, it takes around 6 hours now.
6 hours! Oh my God, that's
Because
too
of the
long.
traffic. Because of the major events today,
Dabi-
because tomorrow will be the Easter Sunday.
Oh,
There's
really?
a lot of people who are coming around here,
Oh, shucks.
and that's why. And also there's a big event over there,
Over there? Near the Wanaka. So,
and we're going straight to Queenstown later.
oh,
Check
nice.
it out.
Nice. Oh,
Sige na, picture dito.
sige, sige.
Sige.
Sige. That's a nice, pose.
Perfect.
La perfect kaya ang view, oh. Grabe, nice kayo.
Perfect. Tara, babe.
Pak, pak.
Korea. Korea. I mean,
Hi.
Kani tandang sor.
Sige na, may picture sa ta.
Sige.
Grabe ka, nice ang view, bay. Amazing kaayo. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. So dito, nice ka dito, oh. So pag ikuan to dapit, di maklaro bay katong kahoy o nga nastuwa tong
Later, we're gonna go there.
later on, no?
So here, stay here.
Stay?
Stand ka dito. Ayan na.
Kaya nakapang reel na. And natin 3 time na.
What?
Sarang si Bila na dito.
Alam mo ba? Alam mo na. Batadan. Batadan. Batadan.
Mga flip. Flip.
Ikaw pero mo tungtong mo.
Oo.
No, tungtong ka
Batanan.
Alam mo ba? Alam mo na. Batadan. Batadan.
Ayo, magaling pa galing.
Batadan.
Last one day.
Ayo.